guys, we're gonna be talking about leaving stubs like what they did here long time ago. They should have cut it closer to the main trunk without cutting onto the branch collar, we call it, right? It's trying to cover the this stub, but it's gonna be a long time for that to happen. That's why you gotta help the tree. Don't leave stubs. The stubs are bad. These two right here, they were also sticking out more. Why? I have no idea. I don't know why. Now, even this one here, check it out. This branch should have been cut somewhere here before, whenever that was done. Now, because of the bark is trying to cover the wound, now I'm gonna have to leave it the way it is right now, because if I don't want to damage this part of the tree. Now, this piece is gonna be sticking out more, but it is what it is. That's more what we want right here. Now that one right there, it was also sticking out more. I don't want to damage this part. Eventually, this is what we want. There used to be a branch right there. Now look, you can't even see it. The bark already covered the wound, and that's what we're looking for. Look at this. There used to be a branch right here. That's what we want, the bark to cover the wound. And whenever we leave stubs, it's gonna take a long time for that to happen. All right, so right now we're just gonna help it a little bit more. We're just gonna remove this piece, and hopefully in a few years, it'll be a lot better. Once again, look, that's what we want. All right. But yeah, just wanted to show you this real quick, guys. Look at this cow. Come on, give me a break.